Hi guys, today I'm creating a classy and elegant tablescape using mostly disposable pieces that still feels upscale. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I have my tablecloth already laid and I had gotten this tablecloth from the dollar store. Now I'm placing my gold chargers, and the white tablecloth is going to allow the gold accent tones to pop beautifully. Next, I'm layering these gold rimmed dinner plates, and I'll also be using the matching salad plates. And these I got at the dollar store, and they are plastic. So today is Tuesday, so that means it's TABLESCAPE Tuesdays. So this video is part of a collaboration called TABLESCAPE Tuesdays, and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and all things home on a budget. Now the theme is white with silver or gold accents, also using plastic or melamine. For my napkins, I'm using these disposable embossed lace print ones I got at the dollar store. I saw these and I just thought they were so pretty. I'm going to be doing a simple fold, and then I'll be adding some gold napkin rings for an elegant finishing touch. I really love this theme as well, because you will see that you don't need to break the bank or buy expensive decor to create an elegant table. Just to look at this, guys, it's so simple but still feels very sophisticated. As I lay each napkin, you can really see the table coming together. The combination of the white and gold is just so pretty. It creates such a timeless look. For the centerpiece, I'll be using these gold eucalyptus stems. I totally had forgotten I had these. So I'll be using them with this little vase and my taper candlestick holders that I love so much. I'm just going to arrange these along the center of the table. So these are the knives and forks that I will be using, and they are plastic, but they are bright and shiny and will definitely add some elegance to the table. If you've gotten this far in the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up if you haven't yet done so. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this budget-friendly setup. I'll be using these drinking glasses, and they are also from the dollar store. They are acrylic, so they look very much like glass, and I just think they are very nice. These glasses also have a little detail, but are simple enough that they will not overwhelm the table, and they will allow the gold details to really shine. I'm now adding my white taper candles, which are also from the dollar store. To make the table feel warmer and more inviting, I'll be adding these tea light candles to the setup. I also like that these candles actually flicker like real candles, so they will give that warm and cozy vibe. And here's the final look, guys. I really love how this turned out. I love how the white tablecloth keeps everything clean, while the gold accents add that beautiful touch of luxury. This would be perfect for so many different occasions. And budget-friendly doesn't mean your setup is going to look inexpensive. That's it, guys. I hope this video gives you some inspiration, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.